Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Flight Pilot Simulator. I'm sorry if you hear something outside, like other noises, because my window is open. And yeah, today is, I'm drinking a milkshake from Mr. Softy. So let's play. So today, I'm going to try and be getting my airplane to supersonic. This one. Well, not supersonic speeds, but like, I'll show you. Over 650 miles per hour, I think it is miles. And tell me if you want me to play this again, and I hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, let's get started. Tell me if you want me to play this game again. Want me to make a series about it. Landing gear up. Let's go. You gotta get as high as possible. As you can see, the speed right here in the left corner, the bottom left. It's slowly going up. Now it's fastly going up. And what you wanna do is at least get to 550 before descending, and then descend as fast as possible. Remember and then there's another plane that could go faster than this one. And that plane could go supersonic. Look, like I'm saying supersonic. Like not like this one, like go like sonic, like super speeds faster than sound type of things for a couple of seconds. That one could go for a couple of minutes. Like, it's gonna be pretty easy. Okay, ready, go, go, go. Dropping fast, dropping fast, dropping fast. 50, where's the 50 at? Oh, we didn't make it, guys. Sorry, them stupid mountains were in my way. Dang it! Go again. $550. Go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Didn't make it again, guys, but look how fast we're going. This is gonna be pretty much the only plane until we get the other. It's gonna be a bomber. Yeah, it's a bomber. So yeah, let's go 2 times speed. Let's slowly go up and slowly have our speed increase. That's pretty much what we're gonna do. Let's get our height up. And we're gonna go as low as we can. Ready, go. Start descending now. Go all the way down. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. We did not do it, guys, again. I'm telling you, it's pretty dang hard to do it. I've done it like 2 times now. And as you notice, I'm not going all the way up, because if you do, they're gonna say you're leaving the area and you will exit out of here. So see right now. And the same thing if you go too far out, like in the water. And that's pretty much what I'll be playing. Okay, we're going down, descending. We are not descending. Am I gonna pull up? Am I gonna pull up? Am I gonna pull up? Oh, it's kind of impossible, guys. It's almost impossible, but it's not. Okay? It's not. And yeah. So yeah. Come on. Okay, we're gonna 22,300. 23,000 is when they start leaving the area. Pretty much. So we're gonna start not descending. Gotcha. I'm gonna slowly go up. Pretty much like this, so we don't lose a lot of speed. Oh, I hate when that happens when you go too much. But look, it's pretty much very hard to control now. Okay, so we're gonna go up as much as possible. Even if it says that we're gonna leave the area, we're gonna go all the way up till it says that, and you know it says counting. And we're gonna go do that until it goes to 10 seconds. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Going up, going up, going up, going up. By the way, I've never done this. I think we're gonna leave. Don't do it, please don't. Yeah, we're gonna fail. Dang it! Let's do it again. But this time we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna wait up to 13 seconds. 15 seconds. That's it. We're not going any higher. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where is my plane going? I'm telling you, my plane is crazy, guys. Yeah. Okay, start descending now. Oh, so close, guys. Oh, now it's night. As you can see, there's different types of airports where you can spawn. So yeah, I really recommend this game to you guys if you like flying planes really fast or just flying planes. Because to fly a plane really fast, you have to wait and get a lot of money so you can buy this plane. And then there's another plane that's there's a lot of planes here you have to buy, and yeah. Okay, 15, remember that. 15 seconds, guys. Let's start descending at 16. Go. Cause see, it takes a long time. Oh, you're doing it again. We did it, guys. We finally did it. We're going super! I don't know if you can hear that. Well, that's what super is, guys. That's what I call super, because we literally just broke the sound barrier. I don't think so, because to break the sound barrier, we go really fast. Oh, I'm not sure. I think we did. I'm not sure. We maybe went Mach 1. So now the far part, trying to land this thing. It's easy. It's just that the closest airport is this one to get the wheels ready. You just gotta get a line and stuff. I see you shut off the engine and this thing goes slow. As you can see, the engines are pretty powerful. Well, guys, we want to pretty dang quick. And the next thing I want to do is destroy a plane while flying. So they go so fast, you could destroy the plane. I'm not sure you could do that, but I'm trying. I'm gonna go, as you can see the speed, I wanna go past the yellow. As you can see the yellow thing, the yellow line, you can see this like a yellow. I wanna pass that, I really do. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the planes. Okay, I'm gonna show you the planes. A lot of planes here. This one goes faster, but to get it you gotta pay money. The one that goes ultra fast is this one. And this one. But you gotta get lottery price. It's a lottery price. And there's things that have like, I don't know if you can see it. This one, like you see the lottery like right here. Like ticket has lottery prices. And I have this jumbo jet, and this is the next jumbo jet. And yeah, I really like this one, but as you can see, this one is 2,500,000, and I got this one. Let's put this one. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, so. Oh. Stupid people. Me. Stupid people these days. So yeah. Oh, really? You could do that? I did not know that, guys. I don't know if you can see that. But I think that's a plane. You see in the radar, it's, yep, that's a plane. And you can see it's like a little cross or whatever you want to call it. And this thing goes pretty slow. You can see that jumbo jet goes pretty dang fast. And there's also planes here. Like, yeah, I'm never gonna catch up to that thing. I'm going to have to go into that airport because I think he's going to the airport. There's planes here that are driven by AI. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoy. Oh wow, I'm gonna land this one. I'm gonna land it, guys. I will land it. See, it goes pretty fast. And they land pretty damn good. Not like me. I land very bad. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And yeah, I will be probably making another video of this tomorrow. If not, another. Oh yeah, and if you touch those planes, you explode. I'm gonna show you. Look, I'm gonna touch these. Oh yeah, and they go all the way around. Look. Like, they don't even explode, even if you're bigger than them. Like, you're gonna be better than them, like, maybe with the other one. The one that costs $350, the other jumbo jet. So yeah, guys. Even if you're in there, that happens. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And, I'll see you in the next one.